Leedarson was founded in Xiamen, China in 2000. For more than 20 years, we put our best selves forward to achieve our best work possible. It has paid off. We are a world-leading IoT products and solutions provider today. Leedarson, with the customer-first focus, began as a lighting expert and has since evolved from single devices to comprehensive solutions, including smart lighting, home security, energy management, comfort air, etc. To empower every aspect within the living and commercial building, we forge global deployments and focus on creating value for our customers. Leedarson collaborates closely with global brands and international retailing enterprises to serve 60+ countries and regions. Leedarson services reach all corners of the earth. Adhering to innovation and people-oriented concepts, Leedarson has a professional R&D team of engineers who hold doctorates and master's degrees. And thanks to its continuous innovation, Leedarson was ranked National Intellectual Property Advantageous Enterprises. We have established strategic partnerships and certification laboratories with 6 international accredited organizations. Leedarson owns R&D centers located in Xiamen and Shenzhen, as well as 2 state-of-the-art design centers in Xiamen and Tainan. Our products have won many international design awards. Leedarson's innovation never stops. Leedarson is committed to providing global customers with products and services that adhere to international standards. Leedarson takes smart manufacturing global, utilizing its 2 advanced digital factories in Sichuan and Zhengzhou, China, and additional product and service support from Thailand-based facilities. Leedarson's products are made with wisdom and trusted globally. Based on our excellence achieved in the LED lighting space, in 2010, we began to place significant emphasis on offerings designed for the IoT, focusing on environmental factors such as light, air, water, and sound. Leedarson independently developed 2 platforms, Arno for smart living and Lexicos for smart management. These innovations provide one-stop IoT solutions and services for our customers. Leedarson works with the world's greatest communications alliances. We are the leading promoter of the Zigbee Alliance and a key participant in the Project Connected Home over IP initiative, CHIP, which aims to make connections between smart home products easier for everyone. We are also a founding member of the Z-Wave Alliance, dedicated to driving the smart home revolution through our technological innovation and award-winning products. Over the years, Leedarson has continuously invested in cloud platforms, wireless modules, application-level chips, AI, and other IoT technologies. Leedarson is building a new IoT for a better life. In 2015, Mr. Elder Lee and Miss Millie, the founders of Leedarson, invested and launched the Spring Founding Program, which provides lighting solutions in classrooms for children in impoverished mountain areas, letting light shine to warm the heart. The journey from 0 to 1 is the tale of Leedarson. It's an evolution from lighting to IoT. Our team embraces the Internet of Everything, and together with other industry entities, we constantly collaborate to build next-generation IoT inventions for improved living. Lightening better life with better IoT innovation.